Sammy, show him the video. Oh
yeah, I'll show you the video.
Farm tour with the boys. So we got right here Okinawa sweet potato, Molokai sweet potato, and blue sweet potato.
Are they all native to Hawaii?
No, none of them are actually, none of them are native. They're just canoe plants though. And then check this out, Sammy. We got 43 Chempadacs popping.
Wait, what are these?
Chempadacs. Wow, they're growing quickly. And then we got these plants. These ones are this unknown fruit variety. All of them popped. 100% germination. Then we got some, different greens right here. French sorrel, dino kale, collard greens, curly kale, African blue basil, Rama or Kapoor tulsi. And then we got some lettuce basil down there, Brazilian spinach, some tomatoes and marigolds, Krishna tulsi. Whoa, palito. Oof. What is he going for? This is couple months, maybe like 4 or 5 months. We got Jeff. Yeah. Suriname cherry tree.
We did 9 truckloads in a day.
Yeah. Japanese mugworts popping up. We got some Cuban oregano, coca, sugarcane, and then this is the mala. Mala is a dryland taro patch in Olelo. And so this is a variety called Mana Ulu. Just watch out when you walk through, you'll see lettuces, but you can pretty much see them. So it's Mana Ulu. We got some Maui Lehuas, Ele Nauias, Pololu. This is Kumu Ele. I think these are Opukai. No, that's Opukai. I think these might be I forgot what these. Then we got Uehia Pele sugarcane, marigolds, different varieties of sugarcane. And this is a variety of taro that was found in like an ancient valley. It was recovered.
This big one.
Yeah, these ones. And then we got more Opukai. That's Pa'akai. This is Pico Lehua Ape'e. It's the only variety. It has appendages on the bottoms of the leaf.
Damn, really? It's just this one here?
Yeah, this one right here. And
Appendages?
what's up? Oh, we got habaneros coming. Oh shit. Yeah, just watch out for these baby papayas.
Oh, okay, sick.
We got some papayas popping in there, Thai varieties.
Really, baby.
Let's go check.
What are these boys?
The peppers have holes in them?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, pick them. Oh, these strawberries they're spreading out, man.
Yeah, look good.
Whoa. Shoots. Can I go? Whoa. The mamaki's going off.
Which ones were they, Dave?
Oh, we got Jamaican lilacois.
Probably on the floor over there.
In the trees. What varieties? What?
The mushrooms that we had that day by the Hawaiian chili peppers.
Oh, Copelandia sinensis.
Oh, that's sick.
Those are the kind, bro. Those ones could get picked today.
So Jamaican chili.
But shoots.
Wow.
Yeah, we got sugarcanes coming up. We got the Makalau, Ulakumus. These ones were Manalaloa, Maui Tahitians, Zuiki.
Cover the weeds.
That's the Manala.
Oh, that's smart. So it's just cardboard, like we're stepping all over cardboard pretty much?
Cardboard and horse manure mixed with mulch.
Oh, there's some mushrooms right there, bro.
Yeah, we were looking at. Oh, right there.
This is Paniolus tropicalis.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't really get you high. It's edible one.
Yeah, those are the same.
Yeah.
Yo, these ones, there's a bunch of different species in here. It's amazing. Hey, this plumeria is finally getting some growth, right?
Whoa. Right next to the T.
That's yeah, that's perfect.
Whoa, who balanced the rock?
Those rocks?
Yeah,
We put those rocks there when we were cleaning out the patch.
that's a nice one.
Yeah, we found those in the patch.
Mm-hmm.
There's like not many rocks around.
Yeah.
That's cool. Not many big ones up there.
Let's shoot. Let's keep going. We got some.
You're 1 in 3.
Wow, look at that torch ginger. So beautiful. Some bananas right in here. Then tree ferns. Oh my gosh, look at this. This berry is going off right now. We got the flower about to come in. And
What are these, strawberries?
no, those are a type of berry. It's like a blackberry or something. Got this
Strawberries are a
papaya
little smaller.
Yeah, the strawberries we have in the other garden. These ones are going off.
Check out this pineapple.
Yeah, that thing's been getting bigger.
That's what I meant.
Oh, it's so
Got some red berries in there
This
too.
part is this.
Wait, let me see. Sorry.
This piece turns into this.
And then we got the blue butterfly pea, the red beans going up the fence, the coconut, and then come around, more beans growing through.
Papaya. Couple of them. There's a papaya here. You can tell by the leaves.
This is a nice spot for papaya.
Oh,
The
okay.
Bobby plant these?
Yeah, Bobby planted those. I actually planted them in his pot, and then Bobby,
Put them in the ground?
yep, transplanted them up.
How long does this banana thing take to start producing bananas?
Get the citrus popping.
I thought it would take like 6, like 7.
Puakini Kenny. Reset the brain. I met a Puakini Kenny down in New Orleans.
Like we have that one over there, we'll show you, and there's already 5 shakies popping up
Let's-
that are like this big.
From the corn.
So that's gonna produce within the next 6 months or so, and probably be ready within the next 6 months.
Let's keep
I
cruising,
guess.
boys.
And then those 5, they'll be like halfway done by the time.
Why are you filming, by the way?
Cause just making a little YouTube thing.
Oh, I see.
Got some citrus right here. Honey mandarin, frostawari mandarin. It's like an improved Meyer lemon, been growing that a couple years. Valencia orange. And then we got the what's that? Kaffir lime. Krishna Tulsi. Lemongrass. Krishna Tulsi. Yeah. Yep. The papayas are coming up. They're just little babies right now. Yeah, it's nice. Super nice. Coconut's coming back. Pineapple sage, borage, Thai papayas, cumin, tarragon, chocolate mint, sage, mugwort, wintertime lemongrass, the Rollinia right there, soursop.
He's been trying to clean it
Huh.
without it, and it's been
supposed to climb a cocoa tree.
Oh, sweet. Sweet. You know how to trim them?
I've done it before. I had some other guy show me.
Sweet.
Yeah, we just
Cool.
show you which ones to trim. We'll give you this blade. You go up there, trim them
Hell
up.
yeah, bro.
Trim some of these branches.
I love that.
Dude,
shit.
that's gonna be sick. That'll be my first coconut I ever had, like, from the actual source.
Those are ready. Yeah.
Sweet. How long you guys here for?
Probably like a month-ish.
Yeah. You guys just got here.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
We got like, I don't know, we got big plans though.
Oh yeah. This avocado's popping up.
Oh, there's probably more cucumbers that need to be harvested.
Oh yeah.
I bet.
Hey, look, check this out. This is the banana.
Oh, yeah.
This is the anini banana.
Cucumbers for sure need to be harvested. Oh, man. Mahalo ke akua. Look at that, bugger. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Mahalo ke akua for this blessing of food. To the sacred mare I. Boom. Let's see, we got another one right here too. Wow. Wow. Nice. Ooh. Hey boys, check it out.
Hey.
Fat cukes from the Aina.
Cucumbers. You guys smell this yet?
Yeah, the Manini's producing babies.
We got 4 poppers.
That is, wow, that's
5 even. There's this little one right there.
Jeez, bro.
Oh yeah, there it is. So beautiful. And then the jackfruit and the pineapples are getting bigger.
See, I don't know how well I sleep.
Yeah, it's Campos Gatos.
We woke up so early.
We slept for probably like 4 or 5 hours. We were up for a while.
Wow, these pineapples are getting bigger. Jackfruit's taller than us now.
I've honestly were sick.
Oh, dude, these are so sick.
You guys ever had jackfruit?
I don't think
Organic white pineapples.
Oh really? Well, this is the tree right here. Oh no.
This is gonna be a super.
Is it a really weird looking fruit?
You got Chempedak, coconuts, soursop, bele, noni, mamaki. Another mamaki got to get weeded. Ulu needs to be weeded. Yerba mate, Panama berry, Erlinia.
David, there's peppers to be picked too.
Yep, it's true. Let's get it.
I'm going to.
Hell yeah, what is that?
Hey, Tyler, what's up? You looking for them?
Little Lantor.